Hi, this is neighbor Rich. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be actually traveling a little bit down to York, Pennsylvania, but it is just a gorgeous summer day, and just really enjoying all the weather and just how nice it's been over the last few days for sure. Today we're going to actually be taking the Z06 down for a photo shoot, and I'm excited about this because there's a lot of times where you want these like nice shots and professional shots. Unlike my next door neighbor, I can't afford my own photographer. So I'm going to be able to get some professional shots, some rollers, and be able to have some really nice pictures of the Corvette. And let's get this party started. And here we go. That cold start, she always sounds so nasty. All right, let's go. And as always, gotta feed the baby. Top tier gasoline. Let's see, which one should I pick? I think I know. Oh, look at, they're even showing a Corvette on the screen. Pretty cool. Well, we made it here to York, Pennsylvania for this photo shoot, and I've got JR here. Hey JR, how you doing, man? Good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
Yep, and this is with 5-star exposure. So
yep.
Tell me a little bit about 5-star exposure, what we're doing.
It's just my own photography brand right now. I've moved up to doing photography instead of just graphic designs and car events. So we're out doing a little private shoot. We're getting ready to do some roller shots and hit up the Pagoda together.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. And here's the cars, man. We got a couple of really good looking cars, that's for sure. A Subaru. And here's my buddy Bill. He's got this beautiful Corvette, this C8. And he's done a lot of his own work back here, but he just added some carbon fiber intakes, and really looks sharp on this engine. So really looking forward to this shoot. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah,
do it.
Good.
Yeah. Well, that'll pretty much do it for this episode of Neighbor Rich. We had a lot of fun in this photo shoot. We ended up here at the Pagoda in Reading, Pennsylvania. And as we were starting to see the sunset, we're just looking at all of the beauty that's around us and just loving this day. And hopefully we've got a lot of really cool pictures and some rollers to be able to show you. With that being done, now I just want to leave you with something positive as always. And what I'd say is this: if you start getting depressed because this world is a little bit crazy, maybe a little bit broken, just take a moment and look at the beauty that's around you. And that'll help lift your mood and help remind you that, you know what, there's a lot of good in this world as well. Anyhow, this neighbor Rich, I hope you had a good day. Take care. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.